Hey, it's Colin Dougherty here, MODA Miami, moving in the 1966 Ferrari 275 GTS. MODA exudes history here. This hotel, this building is a survivor. Built in the 20s, Al Capone was in there. And you have Ferraris here from the 50s and 60s, survivors in these just unbelievable preserved condition. So we're getting the car into its spot here for the day, preparing for show morning. Wow, look at the finish on this thing. Every detail is gone over by the CDOT guys in West Palm. And we have, look at this. The level of preparation is second to none. Wow. Everything will be gone over today. This car has about 34,000 original miles, so the patina and engine bay is just so important on this one. All right, Colombo motor. We've got 3.3 liters. This motor was sort of the beginning for Ferrari of the dominance through this period. The Rosso Storico. The GTS is just, to me, it just embodies everything of this period for Ferrari. These Enzo era cars. The GTS was like had the same drivetrain and all that sort of stuff as the GTB. The GTB was such an innovative car. Lightweight, and then you put it in this body, this beautiful convertible body, the GTS, and you're ready for the Italian streets. GTB at this iconic time, these Enzo era cars, they were just dominating on the racetrack. And you have a road version of that same car, the innovative GTB, wrapped up in the GTS body. Constructed of steel with aluminum doors, aluminum hood, and an aluminum trunk lid. The uncovered headlights, the triple louvered fenders, the tapered rear end, the standard Barani wire wheels, or the Spider's major physical features and identifiers beyond the cloth top. These features eventually carried over to the 330 and the 365 GTS cars, which followed the 275 GTS. Underneath the unique skin, keep in mind that the 275 GTS still bears the identical mechanical components to the performance-oriented 275 GTB, including a rear transaxle that minimized weight and optimized the distribution of mass. As a result, right, get ready for this, both body styles of this exceptional model shared the legendary reputation for superb balance Ferrari was known for. The GTB, go to the track. The GTS, hit the road in the Italian autostrada. There was over 200 examples of the GTS were built over the 18-month period of production, making the model far more rare than its closed top sibling. The luxurious grand touring expression of the celebrated 3.3-liter Colombo engine, the platform, the 275 GTS, evolved into one of the era's most sought-after open Ferraris. These Enzo era cars are second to none. I think this one's looking pretty ready for the day.